survival situation and you don't have access to a knife or anything like that, instead you can use the rope itself just to cut itself away. So, alright, in this video I'm going to quickly teach you how to cut rope in half without a knife. Let me find the rope. Alright, so twine I'll be using is just some blue twine from some haystacks, and this will be easier to cut in half, but we're going to be using friction, so you can pretty much use any rope. Wherever you just want to cut, put it underneath your feet, wrap it around or something, and all you have to do, put this under here, and I have this part. All you're going to have to do is you're going to start going like this. And I'm going to go a little bit in more, but you just go till it's broken. And now you see that it's very evenly cut, actually. If it focuses, you can see that that's actually cut very well. This works with all kinds of ropes. Paracord, this is really easy just because it has a bunch of different strands. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Subscribe for more tip videos, and yeah, see you later.